Ever had that moment where you finally dial in the perfect drone shot? Everything feels right, and then out of nowhere the battery warning kills the vibe? That frustration is something DJI Neo 2 owners know all too well. You line up the shot, the light is perfect, you're fully in the zone, and then those dreaded beeps remind you the flight is almost over. Before we go any further, make sure you subscribe for more informative videos, as I work hard to gather useful information for you, and in return you just hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Battery life is easily the biggest weakness of an otherwise impressive little drone. But what if that problem finally has a real solution? This is not about tweaking settings or waiting for a firmware update that may never come. This is about a serious hardware upgrade that completely changes how the Neo 2 feels in the air. The reason people love the Neo 2 is simple. It is small, lightweight, easy to carry, and incredibly fun to fly. You can slip it into your bag, take it anywhere, and capture angles that felt impossible just a few years ago. It is built for exploration and creativity. But no matter how good the experience is, every discussion about this drone eventually runs into the same issue, and that is battery life. On paper, DJI says you can get up to 18 minutes of flight time, but real-world pilots know that number is optimistic. In everyday conditions, most users see closer to 10 or 11 minutes, and that is on a good day. Add some wind or switch into sport mode, and the clock runs out even faster. That constant countdown changes how you fly. You rush your shots, keep checking the battery indicator, and land just when the flight finally starts to feel smooth. It makes a capable drone feel more like a novelty than a dependable tool. For a long time, the community has said the same thing. If the Neo 2 could just stay in air a bit longer, something closer to 16 or 17 minutes, it would be incredible. Now, a solution has finally surfaced online that aims to do exactly that. It is a modified 3,300 mAh battery that almost doubles the capacity of the original. This is not a minor improvement. This is the difference between feeling rushed and actually enjoying your time in the air. The battery first gained attention after being tested by a YouTuber named Jeremy Lovechild, who decided to see if the claims were real. He bought it himself, didn't rely on marketing promises, and put it through proper testing. The battery is advertised as a modified OEM Neo 2 unit, meaning it uses a standard battery shell with a much larger cell packed inside. You can find it on marketplaces like AliExpress, but it is not cheap and shipping can take some time. This is not an impulse buy. It is something you consider if short flight times are genuinely ruining your experience. Of course, more capacity always raises concerns. Weight is the biggest one. The Neo 2's lightweight design helps it stay responsive and within certain regulations, and adding a heavier battery changes that balance. Extra mass can affect handling, wind resistance, and overall efficiency. Then there is compatibility. Third-party batteries are known to sometimes cause firmware warnings or charging issues, especially with DJI's strict battery communication systems. There is also heat to think about, since a larger battery charges longer and can put more stress on internal components. To find out if these trade-offs were worth it, real-world tests were done. First came an indoor hover test, which removes wind and pilot input and focuses purely on power consumption. With the stock battery, the Neo 2 hovered for around 12 minutes before forcing a landing. With the high-capacity battery installed, it stayed airborne for more than 18 minutes, gaining roughly 6 extra minutes in a controlled environment. The outdoor test is where things get really interesting. This is where the drone has to deal with wind, altitude changes, and real flying conditions. Using the standard battery, flight time came in just under 11 minutes. After swapping in the modified battery, the Neo 2 flew for nearly 18 minutes. That is close to 7 extra minutes of actual usable flight time, putting the drone exactly where users have wanted it from the start. What this means in practice is freedom. You're no longer panicking about landing every few moments. You can explore further, fly more confidently, and focus on your shots instead of the battery bar. Even though the battery adds some weight, the added capacity more than makes up for it. The motors may work slightly harder, but the overall endurance gain is massive. From my perspective, this upgrade is a total game changer for serious Neo 2 fans. It closes a gap between a fun gadget and a reliable aerial tool. Yes, There is some risk involved since this is not an official DJI accessory, but the results speak for themselves. It delivers exactly what it promises and turns the Neo 2 into the drone it always had the potential to be. If you are tired of your flights ending just as they get good, this could be one of the best upgrades you make. It finally fixes the single biggest thing holding this drone back from perfection. It is rare to see a third-party modification truly live up to the hype, but this 3,300 milliamp hours battery appears to be the real deal, showing once again that the community often solves practical problems faster than the manufacturers. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.